Hello everyone. So we have made this tiger's eye bracelet. Many people like this kind of bracelet. Now today I have some new idea. I try to make like this. Already looks very nice. Actually I have some flower receptacle is silver flower receptacle. My idea is this flower receptacle cover the tiger eye one side and for another side. So you see, looks so nice. This is what I just try do for a few. Now today we are going to transfer this one into this one. Follow my camera. First we use a scissor to destroy it. We ought here. We use the needle, and this is 4-con electric stream. So we follow this method. Tiger's eye, receptacle. Now here should be receptacle. Then tiger's eye. Then receptacle. Receptacle again. You see? Then tiger's eye. No. Receptacle, this cover this tiger's eye. Another one, this one will cover the coming tiger's eye. You see? Put it together. Now, okay, almost finished. Let me check the size. Wow, exactly fit my hand. So now we see here we laid only need 2 more receptacle here. One's here and one's here. So I put my needle again. This one, this one. Looks nice. So cover here. Another should cover here. This means just need the opposite size. this. So it's cover fit. Now we all move to here, to the needle's size. Okay. Now we tie it. Okay, we cut it. Okay, so we hide the middle. You see, already finished the tiger's eye with silver receptacle. Oh, it looks very nice, shiny. I like it. I like it. I like it.